You can create an assignment for one, some, or all of your students or classes. When you add assignments, make sure the box Count in Traditional Final Grade is checked. We also recommend to align assignments with curriculum and use similar naming conventions. Again, our recommendation is to always use score type percent, and score total points should be 100. For major and minor categories in elementary grades or middle school grades, if you are using major as 40% of your grade and minor as 60% of your grade, our recommendation is that there should be a minimum number of assignments in each bucket or category. The minimum number of assignments in major we recommend is 4, and the minimum number of assignments in minor we recommend to be 12. In order to create an assignment from anywhere in PowerSchool, which means from any of these menu items on the left, you can click on the plus button on the top right and select Assignment. This now brings up the Create Assignment box. The first thing you will select are the classes for this assignment. You notice the classes default to the class that you are in from the top. However, if you provide an assignment to multiple sections or to multiple courses, you can select multiple courses for this assignment to apply to here. Once you select the class, simply click out of this drop-down anywhere in the Create Assignment box to move to the next line. You will then give the assignment a name. Again, we recommend using the naming systems that are set up or standardized based on assignments or curriculums used. So for example, for a Bridges Math assignment, I'm going to put U for unit, unit 2, M for module, module 2, and an S for session, session 1. Our recommendation is that those assignment names are standardized across your grade level. That will allow you and your coworkers to compare grades for students that do similar work, or if a student ever transfers classes, for their grades to transfer over to the other teacher's gradebook for the same assignment. Underneath category, you will select from your category choices. You will then select a due date. The due date you can either type into this box or select the calendar on the right. Make sure that your due dates that you select for the assignments fall within the selected term date that you are currently in. Please refer to the CCSD academic calendar on the CCSD website for the exact dates that align with quarters for our district. Once you have selected the due date, choose score type and the score. Again, our recommendation is score type percent and points 100. You do have some options here for weighting, which means that this assignment would be weighted more or less than other assignments in that category. Again, this entire category's weight is set up in traditional grade calculations. I'm going to choose to set score type as percent as 100 and not weight this particular assignment. Make sure the checkbox that says Count in Traditional Final Grade is checked. It is optional if you'd like to include a description of this assignment. If you select the Students tab, you will now see which students will be given this assignment. From this screen, you can choose, if you select Show All, to only have this assignment given to certain students. This is useful for any assignments that are differentiated according to student need. This is also good to use for students who are doing extra work or highly accelerated work. This is also how any students that may have a 504 or IEP that have them do different work can be unselected from the screen. We typically do not associate assignments with standards in CCSD, and the Publish tab should be set to Immediately and Publish Scores. Once all of those settings are created, click Save and Close. You then see a screen that shows that this assignment was created. It will also give you an option to score the assignment immediately. However, you do not have to score it immediately. There are multiple ways to view an assignment and edit the scores. In order to see the assignment we just created, first you can go to A+ Grading and click on Assignment List. Once on the Assignment List screen, you will see the assignment, the number of students who have a score for that assignment, and the due date. You will also see the score type that we set to % points 100. If you need to edit this assignment, you can do so here with the pencil. You may also view your assignments by clicking on A+ Grading and going to Score Sheet. This then shows you the assignment with a list of each student's name. From this screen, you can enter grades for that particular assignment for all students. In order to duplicate an assignment that has already been created, you can do so through the assignment list. On this screen, you can click on the top gear icon and click Copy Assignments. This copy assignment feature is useful when you want to use an assignment for multiple classes, but for it to have different due dates. You can select the class that has the assignment. You will select the terms, and then you'll select the class to copy that assignment to. Where it says due dates, then you can use the existing due date, so it is the same due date from the existing. Relational, that means if it's changing term, the due date's going to move to a date within the new selected term, or if it's a custom date that you want to select. This can be useful to copy if you do the same project in different terms or the same assignment in different terms. Once you select the new due date, click the box next to the assignment that you want to copy and click Copy Assignments. Duplicating assignments is also useful if you want to duplicate multiple assignments at once with the same due date.